Trying to learn how to use Project Haystack tagging standards from the very beginning can often be quite a challenge. So I'd like to present to you how our e-learning at Phantom Factory can easily help anyone new to get started. First of all, let's meet Chuck. Chuck is an energy engineer and it's his first week in a new job. His new team uses SkySpark to manage the data in their smart buildings. This week, Chuck needs to learn SkySpark fast, but first of all, it's important he's able to understand and use basic Haystack data tags. He's been directed to the Project Haystack website, which to be honest can seem a bit overwhelming. Lucky for Chuck, Phantom Factory is here to help with online e-learning. Chuck's discovered our website training platform, the Alpha Colony, which we've especially built in Phantom to deliver our e-learning courses. Well done, Chuck! You're on a mission to Mars. Welcome to the Alpha Colony, based on Mars. This is where Phantom Factory's interactive e-learning takes place. Using scenarios and hosted data for training exercises at the Alpha Colony gives a clean and simple environment to help with easy to understand and applied learning. Gamification is recognized in the training industry as an excellent way to learn. And so our e-learning content is designed for maximum engagement and interaction. Although, if some learners find the extra content is just too distracting, there is also the option to switch the story mode off. After all, everyone has a different learning style, and as an excellent training provider, we want to help our students learn in the best way for them. Now, as Chuck has just discovered, our new SkySpark Engineer e-learning course is a great way to start learning about Project Haystack. We teach the basic concepts of data tagging, the benefits of using Project Haystack standards, and how to use the reference material on the official website. As we build our first project in SkySpark, we also provide detailed reference links and explanations of Haystack tags and data types as we apply them to our new records. Learning about Project Haystack tagging is an important part of understanding more about data integration, especially for a technology such as SkySpark. In fact, our SkySpark Engineer e-learning covers everything you need to know to build a first-time project. Using our example Arcadia project, we use just 6 points to demonstrate the key concepts behind understanding SkySpark data structures, Project Haystack tagging, project building and records, filter expressions, databases and storage, using connectors, writing values and managing history data, and even writing rules. At Phantom Factory, we provide everything our learners need within our digital content, using interactive exercises and even our own hosted SkySpark instance. For our SkySpark Engineer students who have access to their own SkySpark installation and would like to practice the project building exercises for real, we've worked hard to create some exciting bonus training material. We've created the Arcadia Toolkit, a free SkySpark extension which provides ready-made Axon functions and a record loader tool to automatically reset your project data to each training level. To use it, you just need read-write access to your own SkySpark installation, an empty training project, and an available license capacity of just 10 points. For anyone looking to simply try SkySpark out, this is a convenient and affordable way of using a small basic SkySpark project for the first time, and with guided instruction. Chuck may be an engineer, but Phantom Factory's e-learning range is designed for anyone new to SkySpark and Project Haystack who may need to understand tagging, data analysis, data integration, or even Axon. So now, Chuck can get up to speed with starting to use Project Haystack and SkySpark all within his first week at work. As a recognized training provider of excellence, ask us more about our internationally recognized program for continued education or continued professional development. I hope you've enjoyed this short presentation about our new e-learning course, SkySpark Engineer, and how this helps to teach the concepts of Project Haystack tags as they apply to a real data analytics platform like SkySpark. My name is Emma Einen, and please feel free to contact me or my team if you'd like to know more. Phantom Factory, where learning is understanding.